Hello, dear students. Hope you're doing well. Today we have brought another story for you people to read. Let's have a look at this story and read it. I bring these interesting stories for you so that you can improve your reading skills. Okay? So if you want to improve your reading, do reading with me. All right? Great. So, what is the title of today's story? It's interesting. The Little Blue Bird. The Little Blue Bird. One morning, a little blue bird named Blue wanted to fly high. Can you see the blue bird in the picture? Very good. So, one morning, a little blue bird named Blue wanted to fly high. She was a little afraid, but she did not give up. Give up means stop trying. So she was a little afraid, but she did not give up. Every day she practiced flying. She practiced flying. Sometimes she fell, but she smiled and tried again. One day, Blue flew higher above the tall trees. She saw bright flowers, green fields, and a shiny river. I did it! She chirped with joy. I did it! She chirped. Chirp is the bird's sound, the bird's voice. You understand? From that day on, Blue knew that small steps every day can lead to big dreams. Small steps every day can lead to big dreams. So, what is the moral of this story? The moral is never give up. Practice makes you stronger. So, if you also want to do something and want to become something, you want to try something, you need to work hard and keep practicing for that. And you should never give up, because if you keep trying, keep practicing, one day you will be successful as the little bird Blue became successful in flying. I hope you enjoyed the reading. See you all in the next video. Bye.